Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant, a D3D11 Compatible GPU error. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and find your graphics card application. For example, here I have the NVIDIA app, so I'm going to open up the NVIDIA app. Okay, so if you have AMD, we'll open up the Adrenaline. If you have Intel, we'll open up the Intel application. Okay, so once done, go ahead over to the drivers tab and make sure that you have updated your graphics card drivers. Okay, just click on update right here, wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, do not restart your computer yet. Okay, we're going to download the latest DirectX driver. So to do that, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just type down DirectX. Okay, hit on enter. Now click on DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer right here, which is from Microsoft itself. Now once done, click on download. Save it wherever you want, just like so. Now you can go ahead and open up the installer right here or close the browser and find the installer itself. Double click on it. There will be a pop-up, just click on yes. And this window, just click on I accept, next. Untick this bloatware, next. Wait for the process to finish right here as it is initializing. And after that, just hit on next. Okay, click on finish right here. Now you can go ahead and restart your computer, delete the installer. And once done, you should be good to go. And that is how you fix Valorant, a D3D11 Compatible GPU error. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.